I'm here with Emmeline from Anker.
Yes.
Thank you for talking to us. What is Anker announcing here at CES?
Sure. So we have different products today. We have 2 new products on our Anker Solic brand,
Okay.
and then 2 new products on our Anker charging brands. So let's start with Anker Solic.
Okay.
So we do have our new version of electric cooler. We launched the first version 2 years ago, and
That's
we're
this
launching
baby,
a
right?
second version. Yes, a
Okay.
second iteration. Few improvement since the first one. The main one is the cooling technology. So we're using cross-flow air cooling technology, enabling to cool the air first instead of the inside of the
okay.
cooler.
Yeah.
Yes. And the second one is the battery as well, the battery capacity.
Okay.
So the first iteration,
Thanks.
we only had one battery, still a removable battery that works as well as a power bank. With the new one, users can add 2 batteries to go up to 100 hours of use.
Okay.
So, for example, for people that go camping for a full weeks, anything like that, pretty useful. And then last, we heard a lot of things regarding accessories. So our team created kind of like bundles for camping accessories.
Uh-huh.
So, for example, umbrella holder or knife holder.
Okay.
Same as, for example, if you're going, by the ocean and then you're like, you want to have a picnic, this type of wheels can be difficult to carry in the sand.
Yeah.
So there's like, there's
these-
one made specifically, yes,
Sand
for the
wheels.
sand. Yes.
Got it. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. And the second one kind of goes along with it. It's our solar umbrella.
Right, I heard about this.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so how does this work?
So basically on the top, it has specific cells enabling to capture the sun. Yes. And then you can also, it has different ports right there where you can plug in into like different accessories as well.
So is that a wire that comes with it
It's a solar one, so for example, you can attach.
or panels?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
yes,
So
yes.
we're attaching solar panels. I
Exactly.
recognize that.
Yeah. So, for example, if you want to charge your cooler through, the solar umbrella,
Gotcha.
it works with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is the umbrella?
So we don't have pricing yet.
Uh-huh.
We're just unveiling it at CES. It's
Okay.
planned to launch around summer of this year, so we'll have more information in the next coming months.
No ranges or anything?
No.
Summer release
Yes,
date.
yes.
And what about the cooler?
So the cooler, we have 3 different sizes.
Okay.
This one is the smaller one, so we'll run in around $650. And then we have the medium one and the large one. The large one comes actually with a dual zone, so you can freeze on one side and then keep your like the rest cool in the other one. And then the dual one will be at $9.99.
Okay. And then we also have some chargers.
Absolutely,
there at
yes.
the end. Let's take a look at those if we can get
Yes.
over there. It's always a
Yes,
it's always
always a
battle.
lot of people at PepCon.
Yeah.
So we have 2 new ones. Sorry. So we do have,
Each tried.
this is a power bank.
Uh-huh.
So the 25,000 million, so it's TSA approved.
Okay.
With a built-in cable as well, which is really convenient because then you don't need an extra cable.
It's a USB-C cable.
Yes, USB-C, and then you have extra ports as well, USB-C and USB-A, and that screen as well.
And the
that
screen
display.
just shows your percentage. Doesn't
Yes.
have any other
Yes,
info?
it shows the percentage that is remaining, and then as well as information like
temperature.
the battery temperature, anything like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is this selling?
So this one is running for $99.99. Yes, and is launching tomorrow.
So, Doug, if you're hearing this on Tuesday, January 7th, it's
It will
out.
be available.
Okay.
Yes,
Got it.
absolutely. Yes.
Excellent. And then I think I heard the same for this one, which is the new wall charger.
Exactly. So this one is a new wall charger. So this one is 140 watts wall charger with 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A as well.
And the collapsible pins.
Yes.
So
yes,
that it's easy
yes.
to store.
Yes.
I have the older version, so I like that.
Yes.
And the ports are on the bottom.
Yes. So, for example, like it's something that we heard a lot.
Yeah.
You know, like when you plug it, then like sometimes you might not have the space because it's next to a wall or anything like that. Then you can run the cables through the bottom.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. And how much is this?
This one is at $89.99 and also available on Tuesday the 7th.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Emily, thank you so much for
Of
joining
course.
everything. I appreciate it.
Thank you for coming.